So what is WordPress, guys? So this video I'm going to explain you what is WordPress, and it's a beginner's guide. So basically, guys, let's go to wordpress.org. So basically WordPress is a free website builder. Okay, it's a free open source software where you could create websites. And also for someone who's a techie like me, they call it WordPress is also a content management system, which means basically you could create your website, you could create your pages, and then you could add new posts. So one of the best software to create a website. A lot of bloggers use this. And guys, now the next question is, Yavar, how do you create a website? Now I know what is WordPress. So how do you create a website? So guys, creating a website requires three things. Okay, so first thing would be, I would say, you need a domain. Okay, then the second thing would be hosting, and then you need to install WordPress, and then you need to install a free theme. So basically theme would be the skin of your website. So basically if I go back to yavarkhan.com, so now if you see, yavarkhan.com is my domain name. So all the photos and everything is shared and stored and saved in my hosting. And then I'm using WordPress, and this is one theme which I'm using. Okay, so guys, let's begin. So this is all WordPress. So now how do you install WordPress? So for me, you install WordPress on a hosting. So the best web hosting is, so WordPress is completely free, so but you need to buy the hosting and the domain. So for me, the best web hosting is Bluehost. You need to click here, purchase your domain. Okay, so once you click over here, you can click and buy your domain. So I would select the recommended, create a new domain. So you can, for me, Yavarkhan is already bought, but I could buy 1 2 3 4 or something like that. So you need to buy your domain. So Bluehost gives you free domain for the first year. Fill out your information. You can just do 12 months or 7.45 per month. So I've selected a good plan. You could select a lower plan as well, but for me this one is the recommended. So if I go back, so I have selected this one. You could select the basic one as well, but it has less features. Select that. Once you do that, just click on login. So once you pay with your credit card, your domain, for the domain and for the hosting, installing WordPress is really easy with Bluehost. I'm just going to show it to you. So once you pay everything up, you have to click on my sites, create a site. I'm going to put my site name, site tagline. Just for example, I'm just going to do 1 2 3 4. Just click next, and within 3 seconds you can install your website and WordPress. So 1 2 and let's go 3. Oh my god. 4. Yeah, so in 4 seconds you could install WordPress. Just click on your website, log into WordPress. So guys, congratulations, you have installed WordPress. So I'll show you the interface, how everything is. So this is your WordPress dashboard. So just click on dashboard. Okay, so if you click over here, this, remember I put my site name. Don't get confused, just cancel everything. You don't have to worry about any of these things. Just cancel, just close everything. Okay, it's not that complicated. Just close everything off. Now it looks much more better. Close everything. Okay, so this is I don't want to do anything. Okay, yeah, anyways, this is your WordPress dashboard. You can click on visit site, and this is your website. Congratulations, you have created your first website. If you want to create a blog, you could just type something over here. So I'm just gonna write, come over here, let the page load. Just type 1 2 3 1 2 3, publish. Okay, once this is published, go back over here, visit site, or you can just, once it's published, you can view post. So this is your first post. Congratulations again. So this is the backend where you can install plugins, you can install themes, you could delete everything. So this is WordPress all. So guys, and there are two WordPress. One is WordPress org. So it's a free WordPress. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is WordPress content management system. It helps you create websites. You do not require any coding. Very simple and easy to install. And if you have any questions, please do let me know in the comments. I can make more videos. And also I have created a free crash course on how to make a WordPress website from scratch, so you know at least 50% of it. The rest 50 is in that course where I tell you to use the best plugins, the best themes, and how you could start making money out of it. So imagine creating a website takes just 1 minute, so you can imagine start creating a lot of websites. And I hope you really like the video, so please consider subscribing. This is the button, click here. Okay, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.